our channel. Today we are making a pizza with my cousins. This is Vimukti, Dayana, Onari and this is my sister Sandhya. So as my cousins came unexpectedly, we decided to make pizza as a treat and today we are doing it together and we are making this pizza with all the things that you have at the house. At that moment you do not have a lot of things to take. When you are making this, it's really simple and I hope you like the video. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new and also make sure that you hit the bell icon. And let's jump into the video. So you have to fry the sausages now. Put some oil into the pan. And then you can add the sausages. We are using 6 sausages for this. You can use any amount of sausages you wish for. Now you have to grate the cheese. You are going to use this part when grating the cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. Now these are the things we chopped and grated and cut. These are spring onions, tomatoes, onions, sausages and the grated mozzarella cheese. Now we are going to make some pizza sauce and for this you are going to need some ketchup, salt, chili flakes, chili powder and pepper. Now you have to use them to your heart's desire. If there are small children, you mustn't add a lot of chili flakes, chili powder and all those things. And mix them well. Sauce is ready. Now you have to grease this tray, the thing that you want to put into the oven, with butter. And we are using this dough called Arabic bread. It comes in a package like this, so you can easily get it from the supermarket. Now place the Arabic bread here like this, and now we are going to add the ingredients here. So these are the ingredients that we have prepared: spring onions, tomatoes, onions, sausages, the mozzarella cheese and the sauce which we prepared. This is the sauce that we made. So now we are going to add the mozzarella. So now we are going to add some of the other things. We are going to add the sausages now. And now we are going to add these onions. Now the spring onions. Some tomatoes. Okay, now you have to top it off with the rest of the mozzarella. So now this is the pizza, and we are also going to add some pepper to it. This step is optional. We are going to place the pizza into the oven. The temperature should be 250 Celsius. The heat should be the upper and the lower heat, and you should keep the time for 15 minutes. Now we are going to take the pizza out of the oven. The picnic, so we are going to enjoy it now. It's really tasty. Now we are going to eat the ice cream. Thank you for watching everyone, and I hope you liked the video, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and let's see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.